Hello and welcome to another one of my thoughts videos. I've got a few spare minutes before I get onto an airplane to go back to Colombia, so I thought I'd do the next part in search of the unicorns. In the first one, we have established by the same unicornologists, their own evidence indicates that the first and originating place that unicorns come from is from our own body. They were a fabrication from ourselves, and they multiply, and the only place they can replicate is in our bodies, and the only place they can mutate into a new variant is in our bodies. Now, the second part of basic logic is that what are they actually according to the same unicornologists themselves? And you'll see the logic or illogic of the whole field of investigation. Now, what it is in the very same terminology of those that have invented the thing is that it's this: an inanimate object. It's dead, it's a message, and it has code on it with only 4 letters, all in different configurations, a great big long string. It's a message. It has no mitochondria, it has no life, it has no decision making, no decision power, no will, no breathing, no respiratory system, no nucleus, no nothing. And it's the message that is placed in a container. And then it is sent through the body to other cells to supposedly copy that and send them out by the millions. That's what they say they are. Now there's another red flag for you. How can a dead object that has no life, no will, no decision-making powers, no breathing, no blood, no nothing, it's just a message, how can that make you ill? It can't. So unicorns, these here, that's all they are. So they were first made by our very own body, in our body, and they're just messages. So there we have it. We have, by their own admission, that they are, by the unicornologists themselves, that unicorns were first created by our body. They replicate by our body. They can only mutate by our body as a product of our system, and that they are only messages. They are dead. They have no willpower. They have no way they can be out to get us because they aren't even alive. They can't be out to get us because you actually need a will to be able to do that. There is no nefarious reasoning behind that. They are inanimate objects, messages. And in the next video, I'll show you what actually does fulfill all those criteria, something that is actually real, that is created by our own body, replicated by our own body, and mutated or rewritten by our body, and are inanimate objects, messages. And they're confusing unicorns with the real object, and they're fooling us with that confusion. I'll show you that in the next video.